Welcome back. You're watching NSE Financial Quest Season 4. We come to you from the city of Chandigarh. One segment of this quiz already done. Teams going crazy on the buzzer. But for now, we'll take a look at the averages and indices, and then we move on to the next segment. Averages and indices coming up on your screen now. We'll move on to the second segment. Lots more points and lots more questions to come on. The second segment called Trading. Here it comes. Here comes your first one. It's a stag question. It's actually a true or false question. Try and answer it for yourselves. Here we go. Insurance companies in India at times purchase from another insurance company instead of selling insurance policies to customers. Is this true or false? Table number 6, Haryana Model Senior Secondary School. Go for it.
It's true.
Why is it true?
Yeah, sir, it's selling.
They also buy from other companies, and that process is called reinsurance. Is plus 50 that you get. Good answer on that one. Plus 50 is what you get. The next one is a 100-pointer. Here comes your question. If INR is the code for... Whoa. Table number 4, Bhavan Vidyalaya, Chandigarh. Quick on the buzzer. What is the answer?
Indonesia.
Plus 100. Outstanding. Good one. Next one. 75-pointer. Bharatiya Note Mudran Private Limited. There are two words that I've blanked out. What are the two words? Table number 4, Bhavan Vidyalaya. You're taking a risk on this one. Go for it.
Axis Limited.
Come again?
Axis Limited. Bharti Axis Limited.
Bharti Axis Limited is a minus 75. On 50 points, anybody else wants to attempt this question? For 50 points. Two words that I've blanked out. The words there were Bharatiya Reserve Bank Note Mudran. It's Note Mudran. It has to be Reserve Bank. It can't be another bank. Okay, next one's a 50-pointer. This is a stag question. It's a mixed bag question. It's a simple one according to me, but again, depends on how you guys take it. Which economist from India authored the book The Argumentative Indian? Famous economist. One of the biggest names in India. It's not an unknown person. Very, very, very famous. Economist. What's the name that comes to... Oh! CLDAV. Table number 8. Going for it. Go for it.
Is it Amartya Sen?
You're asking me or are you telling me, young lady?
It's my guess, I guess.
A good guess sometimes. Plus 50 on getting Amartya Sen right. That's a good answer. Amartya Sen is the right answer. Next one is a 75-pointer. On the 75-pointer, it's a little tough question, but let's see how you guys work this out. All these together give you a famous... something to do with credit cards. I mean, the easiest option for me to give you would be something to do with credit cards. Table 4, Bhavan Vidyalaya. Again.
Is it Swiss Bank?
Minus 75. Minus 75. Unnecessary risk. It's not the Swiss Bank. Anybody else for 50 points? It's from the world of credit cards, guys. Should have worked that out. It's not one of those regular names. It's an irregular name from the world of credit cards. That is the American Express credit card. It's a 50-pointer. This is a little relatively easier. Here we go. Industrial Development Bank of India is its former name. Table 8, CLDAV. Go for it.
IDBI.
IDBI. You're guessing.
No.
It's obvious. That's what you're trying to say. Plus 50. Plus 50 again. Good one. Okay, next one. 75 points on your screen. This tells us the story of which bank? Go on.
HDFC Bank.
HDFC Bank.
Yeah.
What's the story?
Sir, the picture displayed here is the MD of HDFC Bank.
Okay.
Named as Mr. Dityapuri.
So this is a story of the HDFC Bank.
Yeah.
Plus 75 is what you get. Outstanding answer. I told you that minus 75 that you took is no big deal. It's a matter of another question and you're back in the game. Good one. Last one in this segment for 50 points. This is a stag question. Connect these three visuals to a bank. goodness, Farhan Akhtar. I thought Farhan Akhtar is the biggest clue there. Table 3, Wali Public School.
Indusland Bank.
Indusland.
I can understand the confusion between I and the L. I'll still give you points on that one. Plus 50 for getting that right. It's IndusInd Bank, not LND. So don't get confused on that. It's two segments. Teams not stopping on the buzzer. They're going at it in a flash. I hope you're having the same luck at home. But do come back after this break and watch one more segment and the averages and indices. We're taking a break right now. You're watching NSE Financial Quest Season 4 from Chandigarh. Keep watching.